In your website, there are 100 products are there. People usually come for which product in your website. That also it will give. There is a restriction that people cannot drop a message or comment for your video. All those problems can be rectified or corrected under web analytics. Behavior analysis, whether they have commented, whether they have liked, whether they have subscribed, all those behavior. After marketing, what happens? What are the feedback that you can get through web analytics? A warm welcome to all. This is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. We are discussing digital marketing, your unit 4 and session 1. And today we will concentrate on web analytics. So, till now we are unit 1, 2, 3. We all discussed about digital marketing, the basic terms, and we discussed about email marketing. That will be your unit number 2. And later we discussed about your all the other topic like content marketing, social media marketing, and also we discussed mobile marketing. So these are the basic things. As I know that you know all the topics without any preparation, you can write. So regarding mobile marketing, you know better. All the social media marketing, you can place them one by one, like Instagram, Telegram, and WhatsApp, and your Facebook, all comes under your social media. Those are easy as well as on your own you can write. But the only topic in your digital marketing subject you have to learn and write, that is called as web analytics. So once we're done with this web analytics, the one more topic will be called as YouTube marketing. YouTube marketing also on your own you can make notes, but only that this topic you have to read properly. Whatever the terms they have used, we have to use it properly. Now, in this agenda, importance of web analytics, Google Analytics, and the last one, data visualization. See, importance of web analytics, Google Analytics. As I told you that all your internet transactions like your Instagram, Facebook, your all these things works under what? Google. You have to maintain a Google account. Your email ID is created under Google account. Your Play Store is created under Google account. All the login comes under your Google account. The reason is very simple. Even though you lost your mobile, even though you lost your electronic gadget, anywhere, if you just your user ID password, if you log in, all your contacts, everything will be given. Hope you know about cloud. Yes. So all your data which are stored in cloud, like your Google Drive, in the Google Drive, wherever you go and log in, you can access all your informations. The first one is called as what is web analytics. Now, web analytics is a methodological study of online, offline pattern and trends. It is a technique that you can employ to collect, measure, report, and analyze your website data. It is very simple. Once you post a video in YouTube, usually what happens? Once the video is posted, the next stage will be how many views are there, how many are liked your video. So this much information not only in your account, anybody can just open your video and they can see what are the views, what are the likes, or how many subscribers are there. But in depth, if you go, whatever number of views are there, how many minutes they watch, how many times they watch, which location you have more audience, and what is the time thing on that particular time the people are watching your video. All this in detail analytics or analysis you can do only with the help of web analytics. Now, it is normally carried out to analyze the performance of a website and optimize its web usage. Then we use web analytics to track key metrics and analyze visitors' activity and traffic flow. It is a tactical approach to collect data and generate reports. All this information we call it as web analytics. Importance of web analytics. What are the importance of web analytics? The major one will be access web content problems so that they can be rectified. If you have any problem, like there is a restriction, the people cannot watch your video. There is a restriction, the people cannot drop a message or comment for your video. All those problems can be rectified or corrected under web analytics. Have a clear perspective of website trends. What do you mean by trends? Yes. Whenever you make a video regarding that particular trends, what is happening, then only you will get more views, then only will get more response to that particular video. For example, any video, for example, there is a match between India and Pakistan today. You have to make video by yesterday, today or tomorrow. They will be trend for that India-Pakistan match. The same India-Pakistan match happened today. After 1 week, if you make a video on that match, then the responses will be less and the views also will be less. Assume that our example I can give you. Today the IPL auction is happening. IPL auction is happening means if you make any video related to IPL auction, anything, even though the video is irrelevant for IPL auction, only the tagline or thumbnail if you use IPL auction, RCB, definitely your views will be more. The number of hours, number of minutes watched will be less, but number of views will be more, because by seeing by looking at your thumbnail, by looking at your content, whatever you have written like RCB, ICL auction, the people will be crazy to watch that video. Later, after watching that, if they don't satisfy, then you have to manage with your comments. If comments is off, only the thumbnail is good, definitely will get more views. Next, demonstrate goals acquisition. Whatever goals you have, your goals will be what? You have to sell more product. You have to make more profit. Your profit value should be more. You have to sell more product, and your whatever transaction happened in the previous year, that has to be exceeded this year. All this happens with what? Proper marketing. Marketing in the sense what? Your social media marketing or digital marketing. After marketing, what happens? What are the feedback that you can get through web analytics? And whatever goals you have, that goals, whether it is achieved or not, that you have to check. Figure out potential keywords. So potential keywords in the sense, the keywords whatever you use, that should be very potential and that should be proper. Then identify segment for improvement. Whatever the segment you have given, the improvement should be there. Next one, find out referring sources. Your referring sources, it is nothing but whatever you have referring, the sources, like you have taken some topic from some video, you have taken some video, like you have done a video, for that you have added a song. That song is what? Some movie song. You have to give a reference. You have to mention that from where you have taken, all the sources you have to mention. Web analytics, Google analytics. There are two things are there. One is web analytics and Google analytics. Under web analytics, we have topic called Google analytics. Analytics tools offers an insight into the performance of your website, visitors behavior and data flow. Data flow, it is just like usually what happens, the movie releases on Friday. The first day, the response will be higher. Second day, Saturday, definitely higher. Sunday, you will get more response. From Monday till again drastically, it will come down. Again, next Saturday, if movie is really good, again it will pick up. These tools are inexpensive and easy to use. Sometimes they are even free. There are many Google Analytics tools are there. You no need to pay for that analytics tool because it is a free of cost. If you want any advanced or if you want more information, if you want to go more deeper, then you have to pay additional charges for whatever services you require. Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a premium analytics tool that provides a detailed statistics of a web traffic. It is used by more than 60% of the website owners. So 100% everybody they are using Google, because whoever open their mobile, whoever open their laptop, the first thing they will search for Google, because the search engine is better than Yahoo or other things. Now, more than 60% out of 100, 60% of people they are using which analytics? Google Analytics, because it is a free, easy to use and it is not complicated. Google Analytics help you to track and measure visitors, traffic sources, goals, conversion, and other metrics as shown in the above image. It is basically generate a report on. It will give you a report. What kind of report? It will give you what is the audience analysis. Audience, who are the viewers are there? Acquisition analysis, how many of them bought that? Behavior analysis, whether they have commented, whether they have liked, whether they have subscribed, all those behavior. Conversion analytics, after seeing your ad in the Google, in the social media, whether they've gone to that particular website to buy that product, yes or no. In that analysis, it will give. Let us discuss each one of them in detail. Now, audience analysis. What is the audience analysis? Very simple. The age and gender of your audience. It will give you how the computer or Google will come to know that the age between 18 to 20 members are 20 are watching that. Very simple. I opened any website. When I open the website, my system will get to know that what is my age. How does my system will get to know? Because my Google account is there. In the Google account, my date of birth is there. When you open your mobile, your Google account is registered there. Similarly, every system, without Google account, no system will work. You know that? Yes. Your YouTube, if you want to watch, you should have Google account. Play Store, you should have Google account. Insta, Google account. Telegram, Google account. Without Google account, you cannot operate any internet activity, any internet things, any personalized social media activities without your Google account. When you surf or when you search anything with your help of Google account, definitely the system will convey that will pass your date of birth to Google Analytics that this age group person is searching for this product. So it is easy to identify what is the age, what is the gender. Your name will be there, your gender will be there, your date of birth will be there. Simple. Then the affinity, reach and market segmentation under interest, language and location under geo. It is very simple. If you are searching from Jayalakshmipuram, it will show which place you are. Clear? Easy to track your. See, whenever you download any application, the options will come. Can the application take your location? You say yes. Can the application take your personal contacts? Yes. Then automatically it takes. Then new and returning visitors, their frequency and engagement under behavior, browser operating system and network of your audience, technology, like network in the sense whether you are using Airtel, Vodafone, what kind of geo, what network you are using, that also will be tracked. Mobile device info under mobile, including your mobile, which model you are using. I'll give you a simple example. Now, whenever you go to any place, just on your hotspot, directly what will come? A nearby you, anybody Wi-Fi is on, automatically the name of that mobile will come because the network has all the capacity to get all the information. Custom variable report under custom. This report shows the activity by custom module that you created to capture selection. Usually the Google Analytics, whatever reports give, it is a free of cost. No need to pay even single rupee also. If you want a customized report, sometimes that also you get it for free, or else that is chargeable for a smaller amount. Acquisition analysis, the second one, as I told you, we have audience analysis, we have completed. Now acquisition analysis, behavior analysis and conversion analysis. The second one, acquisition analysis. Capture traffic from all the channel, particular source, medium, from referral. The channels, which kind of channel, like whether you're using Instagram, whether you're using Facebook, all the social media channels, it will show. Then trace traffic from AdWords, paid search also it is offering. Then see traffic from search engine. Here you can see queries, triggered, landing pages and geographical summary, all these information. Like if you go to your Google or YouTube, if you have any YouTube channel, please go there. If any videos are posted, go to analytics. In that you will get to know How many of the people are viewers? They are from localite. How many of them are from other state, from other country? All information, geographical details, you will get it in that analytics. Then track social media traffic. It helps you to identify network where your users are engaged. The next one, behavior analytics. Behavior analytics monitors users' activity on website. You can find behavioral data under the following four segments like site content, site speed, site search, all these things. So site content, it shows how many pages were viewed. As I told you, how many minutes they have watched, that also it shows. Site speed, here you can capture page load time, execution speed, performance data. Next, site search, it gives you full picture of how the users search across your site, what they normally look for. All this, see, in your website there are 100 products are there. People usually come for which product in your website, that also it will give. Events, the last one, events are visitors, actions with content which can be traced independently. Example, whether they have downloaded, whether they signed up, whether they logged in. There are many things are there. Just if you want to check any, Grammarly check. If you want to check, you made a notes, for that you have to do a Grammarly check. What you will do? You will go for Grammarly check website. When you log into that website, there are many options are there. Sign up. The next one is login. The next one is guest user. If you work in the Grammarly as a guest user, it will show. If you sign up, it will show. If you take a membership, then also. If you take a membership, whatever the facility they provide, that will be a premium version, means unlimited usage. If you go as a guest, you have a limited usage. Conversion analytics, it is very simple. The major goal of any vendor, any social media marketer, the major goal is to convert the customer. So whoever customer comes to their website, the customer should buy the product. Then only you are benefited. Just customer comes, watch and go, then you will not get even single rupee. Whatever amount you spend for promotion, everything is waste. Now, your goals, e-commerce, multi-channel funnels, attributions. Now, goals, matrix that measures a profitable activity that you want the user to complete. So you have to make it as simple as possible, because I gave you an example of Zomato. If you go to Zomato, even a small 8 to 10 years kid also can book a order for food, because the website is so simple actually. Just you have to choose the menu, you have to choose the payment option, you have to choose the address, proceed. That's it. Anybody can do this process. That is the reason it should be as simple as possible to make conversion rate better. E-commerce, you can set e-commerce tracking to know what the user buy from your website. So it will get to know that whether they have gone for electronic item, they have gone for any cloth, or they have gone for any cosmetics or any provisions. Those things you will get to know with the help of Google Analytics. Multi-channel funnel. Multi-channel funnel or MCF reports the source of conversion, what roles the website plays the referral. So all this, next one, attribution. Attribution modeling credits sales and conversion to touch point in conversion tracking. So these are the major conversion analysis. Web analytics optimizer. There is a final stage actually. Whatever analysis you have to do, in that you should have one optimizer. What do you mean by optimizer? Now, Optimizely is an optimization platform to test and validate changes and a present look of your web page. It is also determines which layout to finally go with. It uses A/B testing, multi-page and multi-variate testing to improve and analyze your website. A wonderful feature of Optimizely is that you do not need to be a technically expert. You just need to insert a deployed code provided by Optimizely is your HTML. It is very simple. It is nothing but hypertext markup language. So in the optimizer, it is very simple. I'll give you a simple example. If you go to any shop, any malls or somewhere, there what happens? Whenever they sell product, just they will scan automatically the prices will come. Each product they will give some codes. That code you should remember, or else you should have a chart of that. Whenever you are adding some addition to that, whenever you are selling deletion to that, all those things with the help of code, just you insert the code, rest everything will be done automatically, because all the coding part, all the technical part will be done already, and only the outcome only we have to get. So technically challenged people can also work on optimization. Web Analytics Optimizer, after putting it, you can trace anything, take any action, and make any changes in your website. As I told you, there are certain codes are there. That code you have to remember and you have to insert. Once the code is inserted, any changes if you want, you can make. You are allowed to run tests and use custom integration with the Optimizely interface. All you need is set up an account. Once you are done with it, select your test pages, set goals. You can create variations. Simple. How to use your optimizer? Simple. Account you have to set up. You have to find the test page. Then you have to set a goal. Then you can create any variation. What is data visualization? Visualization, it is nothing but seeing, looking. Data visualization is when you help people understand the significance of data by placing it in a visual context like a chart, a table, a graphic. Essentially, it helps to make big data understandable using patterns, trends, and correlation that might be undetected in text-based data. A word cloud is good example of data visualization. You can also use infographic to help you interpret and identify in a visual way key trend that you are seeing within your existing data sheet. This also enables you to highlight the key insight in a visually appealing way. So visualization, it is very simple. Data visualization, when you help people understand the significance of data, the importance of data. Now, by placing it in a visual context like chart, table, graphic, this much only. So it is very simple. Visualization means whatever analytics they have done, they will show us, they will give us report. Can you understand report? Are you technically sound-minded? No. Technically you have a sound knowledge? No. Then what happens? The chart, the graphs, that will help you. Very simple. They will make a chart like this. Your first month, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Month-wise additions are there. In the month-wise addition, the chart shows that the chart is going up. Again, it is up. Again, it is down. Up, down, up. So, even though if you are technically challenged, even though you are technically not good, still with the help of this chart, easily you can get to know that the market is up, again down, up, down. In the month of December, it is up. So easy to identify. This is called as visualization. You know, just example. Even though it may be chart like this, even though it is a chart like this. So these are the chart. It is used to analyze your data. What are the common tools we use? First one, Tableau. This enables you to connect multiple data sources, visualize data in powerful and existing ways. Next one, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Power BI, Google Data Studio, SAS Visual Analytics. These are the common tools we use to visualize data. What are the advantages of this? All your visualization and all, you can visualize relationship between operation and business activities. Second one, you can identify and act on emerging trends. See, if the graph is going down means you have to do something for that. Some changes you have to do. Those information will be given. It's easy to share insight. And the last one, it is an effective way of communicating important information. Formation with an non-analytics. Non-analytics means what? We are called as non-analytics because we cannot prepare all these graphs. But we can understand the graph. It is very simple. You are a foodie. You don't know to prepare food, but you can taste, you can comment. The reason is very simple. You have a taste bud, but you are not good in cooking. So these are the things. Even though you are technically not good, still you have a rights, still you have a chance, still you have a, you will be capable of visualizing with the help of all these tools. This is all about your today's session. So today we discuss analytical tools or analytical websites. So all your Google Analytics, all your web analytics, all these things we discussed in today's session. There are some technical terms are there. There are some technical words are there. You have to remember those words for your examination. Thank you.